Hello, and welcome back to my channel. And this time we're going to make a beautiful, super easy flower.
Wow.
So you can put this one anywhere you wanted to. You can make it as an earrings if you want, keychain, or flowers also. And then put little bee and then sell them. Voila! You have Lucy. You have money. Okay, in this video, you will be needing, of course, a beads, as you can see, a yarn, any yarn that you want to do. If you want it big, just adjust the hook and the yarn size, okay? And then, of course, you will be needing 3.5 mm hook size, and then any type of yarn, okay? But for me, I just use this one. It's a acrylic yarn. It's a scrap thingy. So any scrap will do. It's not a yarn eater anyway. See, I use this blue. I'll be using this white so you can see it when I do it. Okay, and of course you need a stitch marker. It's up to you also if you want to use stitch marker or not. And then that's it. And then of course you will be needing this one for weaving in and weaving out. Right. So let's begin. Okay, and now you're going to grab any scrap yarn you have. You're going to do is to do a slip knot. You can do any slip knot. Yan, ganyan, right? You can do it like this, or you can do this. Pull the yarn, then make it like this. And after that, insert your hook, and then pull the loop like this. See, you got it. So you have a slip knot, and then one, chain two, chain two. We have to remove this. So the camera will just focus in what I am doing. Siyempre, hindi kasama sa tutorial yun. Okay? Okay, so after you make your chain two, in the second chain from the hook, this is your hook, right? And this is the first, and this will be your second. You are going to make 10 single crochet into this chain. So, one single crochet, and then insert your hook. 2, you will be needing 10 single crochet, okay? So you have 2. If you are confused, you are going to add a stitch marker. There. 2. Sorry about my hand, ha? Wala nang magandang kamay ngayon, Ana. Tsa. Alam mo na, ina na ako, ina.
I love you, Mom.
So, after that, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then 10. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You may want to do the slip stitch. Remove the stitch marker and then do the slip stitch. And then chain 1. And after that, you are going to cut the yarn. There. You are going to attach a new yarn anywhere, okay? So you are going to be working. So this will be the front loop. This will be the back loop. You will work only here. Yan. Tayo ay makinig sa mga masyosyonda. Pag nakinig kayo, plus 10 kayo sa langit. Ganun yun. And then after that, grab a scrap of yarn. I want to use this one. It's blue para makita ninyo. So you can see. Okay, so It's up to you if you want to make a slip knot or not, or just insert it here. O, ganyan. Tapos, chain 2. And then, you're going to do a double crochet. See? And then, watch what I'm doing now. Huh? Oh, slow motion effect. Charot. Oh, diba? Pull up 2 loop and then 2 loop. Oh, tapos after that, we are going to make a picot stitch. So, chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then after that, you made your chain 3, right? So, bilang tayo. 1, 2, 3. Into the 3rd stitch, you're going to insert your hook. And then do the slip stitch. There, now you have your picot stitch. And then double crochet into the same stitch. And then after that, you're going to do chain 2 and then slip stitch. Oh, daba. And then after that, into the second stitch you're going to do is to do the slip stitch. Oh, winner. And then after that, you're going to do the same. Chain 2, double crochet, and then chain 3, and then slip stitch, double crochet, chain 2, slip stitch, and then after that into the next stitch, slip stitch. Oh, like that. And then do the same again. Oh, I'll meet you afterwards. You should have 10 petals. Okay, last petal, insert your hook into the last stitch. And then chain 2, double crochet, picot stitch, chain 3, third chain from the hook, slip stitch. And then double crochet. And then chain 2, slip stitch. There you go. Now you have 10 petals. Now you're going to put beads here. Get one piece of beads here, like this, in the middle. There. Okay. Need to get a needle. Let's see which needle is better. This one. Oh, ha? Mag-ingat-ingat kayo. Kala nyo, kulamin ko kayo lahat. Charot. Yeah. Baka naman. Charot lang. Tapos, insert the yarn into the hole. Ayan. Pag ayaw pumasok, basa-basahin nyo ng laway nyo. Ha? Ganon. So, either ways, you can use a blue yarn for sewing. There. Blue yarn for sewing the beads or attaching the beads or whatever you call it. Put it in white. Ayan, this one. Oh, huh? Do not forget to weave in. Yan. Pinasa ko siya ng laway para pumasok. O, tapos pasok nyo yan dyan. Alam, hindi siya ako parang tanga. Tingin sa bintana, nakakatakot. O, syempre, gamitan niya ng pliers. Para hindi masakit siya, thumb. O, diba? Ganyan lang siya. I'll see you later on. There you go. Now you're going to cut the yarn. Here, you cut it like this. And then you are done. Just leave this one in attaching it with the shoes. O, diba? It's beautiful. Like me. Charot. Charot lang. Arte pa ba? Siyempre hindi. Yeah, just like that. Make many as you want. You can make it as a headband or anything. Diba? Oh, I love it. And there you have it. am open for any commissions. Just PM me for details. And we ship internationally and, of course, local. O, diba? I hope you learned something. Much love from me, Bongga!